Several strong men danced on top of a pillar, which was slowly inserted into the soil as the strong men kept applying thrusts to it. Since Thailand has too much sand underground and the soil is relatively soft, if you want to build a house in the countryside, you have to drive piles underground as a way to increase the bearing capacity of the foundation. Large machinery is not suitable to work in such narrow places, so human piling has become a local specialty. Workers will use special shovels to dig out the soil below the ground, and then several strong men will work together to insert a concrete pillar into the ground. And finally, several strong men will stand on the pillar while dancing and working.